G'day everyone. We are at a special place. Actually, it is quite special because there's only two of them in the world. One of them is in Florida, America, and that's the Florida Everglades. The other one, believe it or not, is right here in our own backyard in Australia, just north of Noosa, which is where we are, the Noosa Everglades.
We're going canoeing and exploring.
So I hope you can come along and enjoy the adventure with us when we take you through the Everglades.
We've got the best camp and there's nobody else here.
It's been pouring rain, as you'll see, and it's super peaceful, just us, the animals and the fish, which include the bull sharks that are probably in here. So anyway, we'll check it out.
Let's do it.
Lucky it's not raining when we're camping, because that would be bad, you know? It'll be like, it'll get wet. Hang on, I'll just turn the wipers up a bit more so you can see. Okay. There we go.
I'll just come down. The road,
stop.
I think the road's only temporary.
It will stop.
It's better, we're going canoeing tomorrow.
We have a super good wading depth. 1+ meters, no problem at all. We're going through a rainforest. How nice.
It said steep descent.
Oh no.
Low gear.
Oh no. We'll probably just slip all the way down.
Don't. We haven't done that in years. Just through the hairiest bit, they make it dirt.
Make sure you're watching what you're doing. And there's no road to turn it off.
Just like that, it stops. We might be able to canoe the roads. Oh my God. You're littler. You better move. It's another ranger. Ranger Stacy was not going to get out of the friggin' way. What a loser.
Yeah.
Ranger Stacy was hot.
Which one was Ranger Stacy?
She was on one of the TV programs.
That's why she was on the TV program. That was, they looked all over Australia and all they had was Ranger Stacy. So they went, "You're in, girl."
Aries Hut. Welcome to Aries Hut. You know there's cars behind us, don't you?
You see?
Haha, made you look. We need something large without a puddle.
They're very sandy. Well, maybe that one.
Yeah, let's pick that one. It comes with a swimming pool.
River access. Oh, sights a little bit to be desired.
Yeah.
What happens if you pick one and it piss down?
Launching!
big thank you to Gail from Victoria, who suggested that we should check out the Everglades and also paid for our canoe hire. We greatly appreciate it and thank you very much. How far did you go up?
I don't know. I think it was like, it looked like 10 or 20 Ks.
10 or 20?
Stopping for a break.
Imagine when it's not windy, it'll be hot, but it'll be just like magnificent.
What do they call it? The Lake of Mirrors? The River of Mirrors?
You can already see it coming right now when it's just calming down a bit. What are you doing?
I'm trying.
What are you doing? That is one of the camps you can use if you're paddling up the river. These flies have got super bright red eyes. Look at the suckers. We are just going for a little walk to check out Harry's hut. That's where this whole area was named after originally. So we'll just go down and check out the old hut and see what it's like. I know what I was thinking it'd cool down a bit somewhere.
No.
Well, there's not as much water today.
No. So there's what, about 20 camps?
Yeah, probably 7, yeah, a bit less than 20, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not Harry's hut, it's Harry Spring's hut. So there must have been a spring around here. Harry's hut provided shelter for logging employees in the 1950s. Oh, it's all boarded up. No people. No people in the hut, hey? Built in 1957 to meet the needs of the timber industry, Harry's hut has enjoyed a colourful history of workers' hardship and playful recreation. As logging of the largely inaccessible forests east of the upper Noosa River boomed in the early 1950s, sawn logs were transported by truck south along the river. From the landing opposite Harry's hut, the logs were winched across the river by a crane. A sling was wrapped around the logs, lifted it from the water and stacking it onto the riverbank. Who was Harry? The tranquil setting alongside the river attracted the local Coolroy pharmacist Harry Springs. Harry went on to purchase the hut from the sawmill when the crane operation ceased in the early 60s and obtained the lease from the Forestry Department for 1 acre of land surrounding the structure. Me man, me kitch, woman food.
That'll be the day.
What are you saying?
Uh,
Something about that doesn't happen very often.
Man who tries many times to fish and catch naught may not be called a fisherman.
I am a fisherman. Married to a fisher
Woman.
woman. Okay, maybe. Let me just control this. Where did that go?
Over there. I think it's because of the sinker.
Morning everyone. Yeah, it's pretty early and I've just gone off down the river to take some photos because I know what it's going to look like this morning. I'm guessing like a mirror because yesterday we had wind and today we've got nothing and it looks superb. I'm loving it. Wow, check this out. Apart from the sun, like a mirror. Just go for a walk up to the other little pier. Might be a little bit better up there. Got some nice camping spots, that's for sure. Here it is.
We're hitting the water again today, and we're going to head down towards a lander point and see what it looks like down there. It's just as sunny as yesterday, so I'm probably going to end up more burnt, even though I have got sunscreen on.
I thought there was going to be more little bits off it,
Yeah.
not just the river.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be more little, maybe at the top end.
Yeah, the top end probably has more of the bio-y type.
Yeah. Wow, look at the trees in there. The paper bark to your right. The other right. Mummy, take me away, Mummy.
Oh, shut up!
Hey? I didn't do nothing then.
I thought you said you were right, and I'm thinking, what was I right about? Never right. Always wrong.
Look at the palms. They're also on your right.
Yes,
And,
they're lovely. Very nice.
You know, if you can go this far and not catch a fish on the lure, what's the probability of ever catching a fish off the pier?
Maybe it's the wrong lure.
Oh, there is a spot on the map. I saw it. It said it's called the Narrows.
Oh, yeah?
And that was this way. I don't know. Maybe we're getting to the Narrows.
Well, that would be nice. Sort of what you wanted, isn't it?
Yeah. What happens if the boat springs a hole?
This boat?
Yeah. I just thought of it because I can see water coming in.
What?
You joke.
It's such a turd.
Okay, we didn't catch a fish, we just lost the lure.
We've got branches ahead.
It's okay. Doesn't matter.
I'm just letting you know to steer.
We've got no lure out anymore.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, must be the Narrows. Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Palm trees in here.
A peace sign. Heading straight for the train.
Where? Sitting driving school skills now. Paddling up the Amazon.
Oh my god. Then you really wouldn't want to tip over.
Piranhas.
Piranhas.
Gators.
Yeah.
Pythons.
Swamp rats.
Sizes elephants.
I think we must be the only ones on the river.
Have you guys come back from the
No, no.
Deep How deep is it?
I don't know.
Up.
Holy cow.
Not deep.
Good thinking. If you're not aware, he's got the stick in case a shark comes. I don't know how he's planning on wielding it at them.
It's croc bait.
There's no crocs in the Noosa Everglades. Of course there's a chance.
Okay, you know what, I'm just... Oh, baby. There's a little CTO you're missing out.
I'm not missing out. Oh, look at your legs. Hold your legs up. They look brown under the water, like super brown.
Even you'd have a tan under here.
I would. Instead of looking like a beetroot.
Oh, you are missing out, baby.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
This stupid bush turkey is a total turkey. Him and his little mate came into camp while we were fishing, and we thought we'd packed up the rubbish, everything was packed up except for the candle that we just blew out. And look, the buggers have been eating our candle. Idiots.
He wants to go to that wax, what do you call those wax works things? He wants to be one of those. The wax mannequin thing. He's preparing. Well, this will give him a little bit of excitement when he comes back.
Weird. Don't go quite yet. We're going to show you what's up next week and our cuts.
In next week's episode, we head from bush to beach when we continue to explore the Sunshine Coast region, where we put our new wheels to the test, preparing for the upcoming Gari trip. You're paddling the wrong side now. Where are you going?
I'm trying to stop us going in the reef.
Just paddle to the right. Well, it doesn't pull us out, I suppose. Okay, paddle from the right side. Towards the boat. No. Like this. Like this.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always
You made me
love a
lose
thumbs up.
focus.
Hello.
sweaty.
I can hear it. Careful.
I'm sweaty.
Oops, sorry. I've got the camera. You can't do that.
Not the real camera.
It's an accident.
Don't forget to jump onto our website or our socials and order your calendar, stubby holder, beanie, or sticker. And remember, we can send it with a message to a loved one if that's what you prefer.